Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Worx Work Table is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast, home renovator, or professional tradesperson, offering a stable and adaptable platform for a myriad of tasks from precise cutting and assembly to acting as a sturdy workbench for various projects, ultimately enhancing efficiency and precision in your workspace. Number 5. Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse WX051. Need extra support anywhere? This workbench pops open easily for setup and folds down compactly for storage. It's lightweight and designed for comfortable carrying, making it perfect for any job site. Seamlessly switch between a sturdy workbench and a reliable sawhorse. This versatile design allows you to tackle projects of all sizes with ease. It offers a high load-bearing capacity, supporting up to 300 pounds as a workbench and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. It can handle everything from lumber to heavy equipment. Need more room? Simply add another compatible support table. They are all the same height and use the same connectors for seamless attachment, expanding your workspace effortlessly. With a generous surface size and a convenient working height, it provides ample space for various applications. Whether you're staining, woodworking, painting, or making repairs, it has you covered. Constructed from dependable materials with steel supports, this workbench is built to last. Despite its toughness, it's surprisingly lightweight for stress-free transport. It features a strong and reliable integrated clamping system, including quick clamps that provide a firm grip on any project. Clamp dogs are also included to hold oddly shaped pieces securely in place. What we like. This table offers incredible versatility, seamlessly switching between a workbench and a sawhorse. If you need a robust and adaptable surface for a wide range of tasks, from woodworking to general repairs, this is an excellent choice. Its integrated clamping system adds significant value for securing your projects. What people say. Very sturdy. Easy to set up and fold down. Perfect height to use a chop saw, circular saw. The clamps that came with it are great. So completely portable and is not heavy to move. It's sturdy, a good workable height, has useful clamps that can attach, and is a good size for compact spaces while having a fairly large working tabletop. It unfolds right out of the box and requires no assembly. Solidly built, sturdy, easy to fold up and move around. Using it to cut boards for a deck and it's working perfectly. Number 4. Keter Heavy Duty Folding Workbench. Need a workspace in a hurry? This workbench sets up in just 30 seconds, no assembly required. It's perfect for any project, big or small, at home or on the go. Tackle your toughest jobs with confidence. This table supports up to 1,000 pounds and includes versatile clamps to keep your material secure. It provides a spacious surface for all your needs. From woodworking to miter saws, this workbench adapts to your needs. Its clever design allows for quick setup and easy folding, making storage and transport a breeze. Built to last, this workbench is made from high-quality, weather-resistant materials. It won't rust, peel, or dent, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. For over 75 years, Keter has been designing innovative solutions inspired by your life. We create products to make your day-to-day living better, both inside and outside your home. What we like. Need a workspace set up in seconds? This workbench is your solution. It's perfect for those who require a durable, spacious, and weather-resistant surface for frequent use in various conditions. If you value quick setup and long-lasting performance, this is the one. What people say. The built-in clamps are a fantastic feature, holding material securely in place while I work. The table's stability. Even with heavier tools and materials, it remains steady, which is crucial for precision work. It is ridiculously easy to set up and even easier to fold. I love that I can fold it and store it, or load it into the back of my truck. Number 3. Worx WG430 Electric Leaf Mulcher. Experience incredible mulching power with its 13.0 amp motor. It can process up to 53 gallons of leaves every minute, making yard cleanup a breeze. Simply attach a bag underneath to collect all the mulched leaves and debris. It makes disposing of yard waste incredibly easy and mess-free. Achieve an impressive 11:1 mulch ratio thanks to its innovative bladeless flex-align system. This means 11 bags of leaves are reduced to just 1. Weighing only 20 pounds, this tool is both sturdy enough to remain stable during operation and light enough to move around your yard with ease. Get started right away with tool-free assembly. It's designed for quick setup and equally simple disassembly for convenient storage when not in use. Engineered with cutting-edge technology and efficiency, this tool is built to last. Enjoy a cost-effective and reliable addition to your yard care collection. What we like. Tired of dealing with piles of leaves? This mulcher processes them at an impressive rate, reducing yard waste significantly. If you're looking for an efficient and easy-to-use solution for leaf cleanup that makes disposal a breeze, this tool is ideal for your yard. What people say. It is very easy to set up and use. The machine is very powerful and the shredding is done very quickly and finely. The Worx works a lot faster, and following recommendations from others, use a 33-gallon Home Depot heavy-duty black trash bag to collect. Number 2. Worx WX066 Sidekick Folding Work Table. Introducing a portable workbench that's incredibly light at just 13 pounds. It's built for easy transport between jobs without compromising on toughness. This workbench is durable enough for any task yet light enough to carry anywhere. Don't be fooled by its light weight, this work table can handle substantial projects. It boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, perfect for sawing, hammering, or assembly tasks. Tired of wobbly work surfaces? The legs on this workbench are engineered for stability, ensuring they stay firmly in place on any ground. You won't experience slipping or sinking while you work. Need more space in your workshop? This workbench collapses in seconds for easy storage. Simply tuck it away in a corner until your next project, freeing up valuable space for your tools. Crafted from rugged ABS and steel, this workbench is built for longevity. It utilizes advanced technology and modern efficiency standards to provide years of dependable performance. This workbench comes equipped with 2 link locks to connect multiple tables for a larger work surface. It also includes 4 clamp dogs to securely hold your projects in place. Seamlessly integrate this portable table into your existing workspace. It's the same height as other Worx folding tables, making it easy to link them together for an expanded setup. What we like. For ultimate portability and ease of use, this table is a winner. It's lightweight enough to carry anywhere but strong enough for most DIY projects. If you need a reliable, compact workbench that can also be expanded by linking with other tables, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It weighs virtually nothing, meaning it is easy to carry to wherever I need to work, but once you actually set it up, it is pretty sturdy and solid. It takes about 5 seconds to set up or break down, and you can just pitch it into the back of the truck without worrying about whether it will survive back there. This is one of the most cleverly designed tables I've ever seen. It's easy to carry, weighs under 13 pounds, and is easily assembled and disassembled by one person. It takes less than a minute to unfold and have ready for use. Number 1. Pony Portable Folding Work Table. Introducing the Pony Portable Folding Work Table, your versatile solution for any project. It's designed for convenience and adaptability in various work settings. Effortlessly switch between a sawhorse and a workbench with this innovative design. It adapts to your needs, making your tasks more manageable and efficient. Don't let its portable nature fool you, it boasts an impressive load capacity. It can handle substantial weight, providing a stable platform for your heaviest jobs. Customize your workspace with its adjustable height feature. Find the perfect working level for any task, whether you're in the garage, on the lawn, or in the garden. This set comes complete with everything you need, including clamps and bench dogs. These accessories add flexibility, ensuring you have the right tools for the job. Its collapsible design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. Moving between job sites or simply putting it away is a breeze, saving you time and effort. What we like. Looking for a workbench that adapts to you and your projects? This table offers adjustable heights and a substantial load capacity, making it incredibly versatile. If you work on varied projects or need a stable surface at a specific working height, its adaptability makes it a standout choice. What people say. The set of 4 clamps and bench dogs are nicely packaged in separate boxes. The 2 large clamps mount securely in the lower tool tray and can be folded with the table for storage and/or transport. The table does lock in place so it isn't going to collapse on you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.